for the induction of the graduates of school year 2009-2010 into the SRCC MSTHS Alumni Association. May we ask the former top 10 to please come up on stage to lead your younger siblings, if you will. Also the top 10 for 2009-2010. Please come up on stage to join your older sisters and brothers. Seven? Okay. May we call on the top 10? All the top 10. Please step with us.
Ayun, hindi lang sila.
All those, where are the top 10? Of 2008-2009.
Wala pa tayo noon.
We would like to invite the other graduates, even if the other graduates here with us today, Albert Pardinas, Lysander Ortiz, Teresa Tasara. Do we have any others? Jean Poblete, Nathan Cerilia, Clifford Peralta, and Jemar Blue Feliciano. Kabisado ba yung pangalan? Okay, Kevin, you have the floor.
Please repeat after me and please
Raise your hand.
raise your right hand. As an alumnus of Senator Renato Compañero Quintano, Memorial Science and Technology High School, I do solemnly swear to uphold the honorable traditions of the school imbued by the spirit of its mission, serve the needs of students of diverse backgrounds. I will endeavor to earn my own place among alumni who, by their devotion to this ideal, have brought recognition and honor to their alma maters. I do solemnly swear to commit myself to the highest standards of service to humanity wherever my life touches that of others. As a socially responsible citizen, I commit myself to the search for solutions to all forms of oppression. I do solemnly revere the SRCC seal, cherish it, and lives by it always. As I uphold the label compañero or compañera of the division of Taguig City and Pateros. So help me God.
Thank you, Kevin. Thank you to the former graduates and to our recent graduates. You can shake hands later.